Once your initial data is synced, the next step is converting your data into actionable tables and reports. Choose your table to explore the columns and data types available. You can query the table in the SQL editor. Our AI assistant Ed can help generate new queries and reports. Start by providing Ed with the necessary instructions. You can reference any table or raw data source by enclosing it in the curly brackets. You can also choose to reference the current SQL model. Ed is designed to work seamlessly with your table schema, identifying necessary transformations and joins for your tables. You can run the query in the editor or open it in a new tab. Click Run to see the table output from the SQL. Our lineage overview allows you to trace how your data is interconnected. Creating folders in Weld helps you keep your data organized and structured. You could consider creating a staging folder for data transformations and a core folder for business metrics. When publishing your model, you can save it as either a view or a table. A view is a saved SQL query. It is dynamic, meaning the data is generated on the fly each time the view is run. A table, however, contains data stored physically in the data warehouse. It is updated on a schedule. Now that your data is saved, it can be referenced in later use or visualized in any BI tool of your choice.